Welcome, today in front of me OnePlus Nord CE 2 Lite, and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I just set up my face recognition here to the scanner, to the face unlock scanner, and now I can unlock the device with my face. Now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my face recognition, and we will see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. Oh, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, that unlock method works here really fast on our OnePlus device. So I just want to try one more thing here. I just want to unlock this device without the glasses, because I set up the face unlock method just with the glasses. So I'll try to unlock the device without of them. So as we can see, it also works perfectly. So we just can unlock the device less than in 1 second. So this is the really good result, and I suggest you to try this unlock method, but be careful because the face unlock is less secure than the pin code and passcode. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.